So, hi dear Taurus, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a mid-monthly reading for all the Taurus Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of May 2025. This is a general reading and not a love or anything specific. Whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self-Love Course 2, links are given below. So let's start. Overall energy for Taurus people for the rest of the month of May 2025. Five of Cups. You are going to be focusing on things that makes you sad. That's make you feel like you are not good enough or you are not happy. Maybe you are avoiding something, some kind of situation that needed your attention long time ago maybe. This is the time when you are going to be ready to face something that you need to release and let go of completely out of your life, out of your system. Basically, a sense of disappointment that you are going to be focusing on so that you can heal it and release it properly. Let's see what was happening in the recent past, Taurus. King of Swords. Okay, you were very cutthroat. You were very clear. You were like, okay, this is what it is. I know. So you were kind of rude too. Okay, we will clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture. Currently, the Ace of Swords. So you got the clarity, you got the mental clarity about something or someone, and you're very much sure that this is the way, this is the path that I should follow. Okay, this is the truth and this is the ultimate reality. What is happening, Taurus? Don't show me these cards. Okay, finally. Temperance, coming back to your own real essence. Temperance, being very patient about something or someone and kind of being in this energy of, okay, let's take it slow. Let's not rush. Okay. Let's clarify the King of Swords in the recent past for you guys, Taurus. We had the Three of Cups and the Seven of Wands and the World card. Okay, you put an end to a situation where either somebody was treating you as an option, and or even if it was something that was kind of making you happy or for the time being, you were like, no, I am not looking forward for something, you know, that is for instant gratification or that is just for the time being. I am looking forward to have something good, something that's going to last long, something that's going to be meant for me. So you let go of something or someone that was there for you, but you felt like it's not meant for you, right? Again, it could be a project, it can be a relationship, it can be a friendship. It was something that was you giving you the sense of it was there for you at that time, but it's not going to be there for you for the rest of your life maybe. So you put an end to something or someone from your life and you were like, goodbye. So you are in this energy of, currently you are in this energy of, you know what you want and you are heading towards new path with a lot of clarity, with a lot of understanding. Let's clarify the Ace of Swords here. I am highly disconnected from the cards these days. I don't know what is happening. Ten of Swords, Queen of Swords, Tower. What the hell is happening? Something nasty happened at some point of time, and that something nasty is coming to your consciousness right now at this present moment. Something is breaking, something is falling apart. Maybe your belief system, maybe your old way of living. So I, being a Taurus, can confirm this right now, that something in me is shifting big time. I am highly disconnected from everything and everyone, and I am not able to understand what's going on. I have to rely on my higher self to get the answers. So something is falling apart, and you know this falling apart is good for you, and this is making you more and more clearer towards your path. Even if right now you are not able to understand what's going on, you know from inside that this is happening for your highest good. But this is nasty. Some kind of nasty energies are coming up. I don't know, maybe you broke up with somebody 10 years ago and this is coming to your energies back so that you can heal it and release it properly. But whatever it is making your path clearer and clearer for you to move ahead. And I'm scared now because this is the Tower moment that I was maybe waiting for, and now it's here and I'm kind of a little bit scared. At the end of the day, I'm also a human. By the end of this month, we have the Temperance. Let's clarify this Temperance. We have the Temperance and the Wheel of Fortune and the Six of Cups. Something or someone is coming back around. Something or someone from your past is going to come back around. Sure. See, what is happening is the more you are going to be clear cut on your path, the more you're walking alone on your path, you're doing your own thing, the more you're making room for something or someone from a past that still have hold a unfinished kind of business between you and that particular energy. Now, it doesn't mean that an ex is coming for reconciliation. It means that something or someone from your past is destined to reconnect with you so that you can heal it properly, release it properly, and move to the next chapter properly. Maybe this is just a past situation like slapping on your face that you thought you have completely let go of, but this is something from your past going to show up in your energies again because it wants to be released properly, healed properly, because it is still unhealed. What is happening? I'm very disconnected from the readings today, Taurus. Let me know what's happening. I'm not feeling any kind of anxiety or anything. You people, these days I'm feeling like this. You people. What is happening is, like, see, my skin is getting clearer. I'm losing weight without even trying to do that. Very slow. Yeah. I'm getting goosebumps wherever I'm going if I'm surrounded by a lot of people. Feeling disconnected from everything and everyone. Not able to read the cards. But the bizarre thing here is, even if I'm not able to connect with the cards, the readings are coming so perfectly fine that I'm amazed, the clients are amazed, and I don't know what's happening. I'm sharing with you guys with all of my heart and soul that this is what is happening with me right now. And I really don't have any idea what is happening. It's just I'm like my consciousness is going to another like frequency, and it's my old self and my new self is fighting continuously, and that's why I'm kind of ooh, I'm trying trying my best to stay sane. For you, the guidance is the Six of Cups. Six of Cups, Six of Cups. Something or someone from your past needs a proper goodbye, needs a proper closure, needs a proper energy of, okay, we sorted it out, we are good to go, now goodbye. So, whatever this is that needs your attention, send it with love, forgiveness, compassion. Not with you did this, you did that, blame game, I don't want to see you, I don't know. If you are the one who did something wrong with anybody and they still haunt you sometimes, like in your energies, try to figure out a way to ask for forgiveness with all of your heart and soul. If somebody else did something wrong with you, don't wait for them to ask for forgiveness and get the full closure. Get your proper closure, but forgive them. Practice it. It's not going to happen in one day, but it's going to happen one day definitely if you're going to practice it daily. Wow, I'm amazed. I'm on that phase of my life right now where I'm in the middle of a very huge awakening, and my old self is and my new self, the about to come new self, is fighting continuously and creating a lot of chaos and kind of anxiety too. So I will be, I don't know when I will be able to get out of this, but it's as amazing, as fantastic as it seems. It's scary too. So I just hope you people are going to be there with me when I'm going to be there on the other side. I fully trust Osho and myself and you guys and existence. I don't know why am I saying whatever I'm saying. Maybe it is meant for maybe one of you to hear this thing. Maybe you guys are also on the same page or something is happening with you guys also. I don't know. Sometimes what I say doesn't make any sense to me, and after 3-4 months I realize, oh my god, that's why. So maybe. Anyway, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.